In this video, I'm going to show you how to unarchive all chats on WhatsApp, okay? If you're a subscriber in this channel, you already know that here we don't waste time. We just dive right into the content our viewer is looking for. Open WhatsApp. Make sure you follow every step here because you can make a mistake that will sabotage or ruin the whole process, okay? Let's get started. Once you are on your WhatsApp app like this, you can see all my chats have been archived, so I cannot see any chat here, but I want to unarchive all chats so that I can restore my chats back. What do? Just tap on the three dots here, to the right, then tap on settings, then tap on chats, then scroll down, then tap on chat history. Then you will see various options: export chat, unarchive all chats, clear all chats, delete all chats. What do? We are going to click on unarchive all chats like this. Just tap on it like this, pop. Now you will be requested to confirm, then confirm. By confirming, you will see that all your chats will now be available on WhatsApp. If you found value in this video, please make sure to like it and subscribe to the channel.